You're on TV, Mick. I got ya. Afternoon, people. It's Banana Bender and Mick Murphy here this afternoon, working the old boiler. The young fella here's picked up the rod. He's doing a great job. After 8 years, he's not bad. He's not that rusty, eh? Hey, yeah, Murphy, yeah. But here we go, kids. This is what we're up to. We put the bigger firebox in. Put the front on it. Stop that boiler from rolling over. There's no more need to weld to the boiler. She sits in the cradle now. Nice little cradle made up. And we're going to put a screen in. We're going to put this shit in here, about halfway. Bada boom, bada bing, probably at that level. But anyway, we'll work that out when we come to it. Yeah, the doors still work. Whoa, we're hot shit today, folks, eh? Let me stand up here. Nah, Mick's doing a good job. Oh, Murphy, he's doing a good job, mate. He picked up that welder, he's having a ball, and he's doing it right. Show him once, he's got it. How'd you go, Mick?
Put a bit extra on it.
A little bit extra.
It didn't blow out this time.
No. Must be good steel, eh? Mate, you
get getting up in that corner.
Nothing wrong with them stick welders, eh? Yeah.
They work alright, eh?
Yeah, we'll give that a cut with a hammer to bring that line in.
Yep. Just come in just a little bit, up.
Okay. Bang him with a hammer, open the door up. Look. Sweet. That door works well. That's the best idea you come up with all day, mate. Hey? Fucking back door. Hey, let's back door the joint.
Other way to do it.
Well, the whole purpose of that, ladies and gentlemen, is to say, for instance, you had a long bit of timber like that. You can't put it in the front door, right? You're a bit long. So you put the back door on it, just simply for that purpose. Oh, hang on.
Not for that purpose.
Yeah, you got a bit of fur around the hole, mate. Oh, get in the fucking. Boom. See, it disappeared. I stitch him up every time. Let's do that again. I like it. See? Back door.
Wow.
Boom.
Down the hole.
Down the hole. Right, right? Hey, fine, down the hole. Something else that should go down the hole. Where is it? Oh, yum yum. Alright, kids. Banana Bender and Co. Up to mischief as per usual. Leave your comments. Leave your thumbs up. That one. Love you guys' support. Keep it coming. Banana Bender ain't nothing without you guys, alright? I want you guys. Love you guys. Keep the support up. Keep it coming. Hey, Banana Bender and Co. out. What do you say? Good night, Australia.
Night, people.
Hey.